All right, so now you have Screencastify installed, so now it's a matter of just using it. And you're gonna see it's pretty easy. So let me just kind of take you through the options, and then I'm also gonna show you at the end of this video how you can share it directly to your Google Classroom. All right, so whenever you want to record anything, whether it be a presentation or smartboard, notebook presentation, or website, or even just you talking, let me show you how to do it. So you go over here and you click on your little Screencastify icon, and it's going to give you some options. So if you just want to record just the screen in your voice, I'd recommend you do desktop and then microphone. And you just make sure that the microphone is working. You can see the little thing going up and down here. If you want to be in the lower right-hand corner, then you'd hit embedded webcam, and you have to select whatever camera you have on your computer, and then you'll be in the corner of the screen talking the whole time. Okay. If you just want to have it just you, that's where this would come in, just webcam only. And it won't even be your screen, it'll literally just be you talking in case you want to just send them a message or directions. But for the most part, I would imagine you're going to want to do your desktop with either you in the corner or not in the corner. So we'll do it with me in the corner. And when you're ready to go, you just simply hit record. And it's going to give you another option here. You just kind of have to choose this where it says your entire screen and then hit share. It'll start counting down. And right now it's recording. So I'd say the heart is the size of a fist. Check this out, everybody. Did you realize that your heart is actually in the center of your chest, not towards the left like everyone thinks it is? Yada, yada, yada. And then when I'm done with my video, I would just go back up to here and I would hit stop. And as soon as you hit stop, it does everything for you. It kind of saves it all for you. Okay. And from there, you can just share it right to your classroom, which is great. If you want to trim it, you can see over here, you can trim the beginning and end if somehow you couldn't find the button at the end or whatever you want. But the easy thing to do would be share to classroom, or if you want to get a link and put that somewhere else. But when you share to classroom, it'll give you the option of how you want to share, what class you want to do it for, and so on and so forth. And you can do it as a question, as an assignment, and it pulls it all up here for you, and you can see it'll be attached to the video, or the video is attached right there to your assignment. And so just like normal, you type in the name of the assignment, your instructions, watch and think about, yada, 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 okay? And then you can assign it, and it'll go directly to your Google Classroom, which is really, really great. And then you are good to go. Your video is recorded and on Google Classroom in a matter of minutes.